Okay, so this will be the video for page 307 in our book. Okay, so the other day we went over the word perseverance, and the movie that we watched, Cool Runnings, did they have perseverance in Cool Runnings? Okay, how come? Right. Okay, they were always told they couldn't do it, right? They were the odd man out. Jamaica never had a bobsled team, but they persevered and they kept working, even when they crashed, right? Even when they crashed and their hopes of a medal were shattered, what did they do? Well, they remember they carried the sled across. They persevered. They finished, right? So to persevere means that they keep going, that you keep pushing. Okay, so we've got some more um, vocab today. Okay, so the first thing I want you to do, go through and I hope this is working. Hold on. All right, I had to check my speaker to make sure that was working. So the first thing I want you to do, I want you to look at the word camaraderie. Camaraderie. And I want you to mark 1, 2, 3, or 4. 4 means that you know that word very, very well and you can use it. 1 means you've never even heard it. 2 and 3 are kind of in between. Okay? So I want you to circle what you think it is. The next one is the word competition. 1, 2, 3, or 4. Competition. Okay. Next word down, discipline. 1, 2, 3, or 4. Okay. Next word down, obstacle. 1, 2, 3, or 4. And the last word, participant. 1, 2, 3, or 4. Okay, so camaraderie, competition, discipline, obstacle, participant. Okay, all right. Okay, so we've got that right there. Let's look at the definitions. Okay, so camaraderie, a feeling of blank that people have when they blank. A feeling of togetherness that people have when they work together, right? Or a feeling of unity. I like the word unity. Okay. And then you can do the example. A camaraderie developed among the blank. You could do this. Among the Jamaicans after they worked so hard, right? Okay. Okay, we good to move on? Next word. Competition. An event or process in which people try to win, right? Try to win something, or yeah, it says try to win a prize, award, or a title. Are you down to discipline now? You okay? Discipline. An area of, I want to say the word is expertise. Oh, they say knowledge. An area of knowledge or a field of study. Okay, that's like the noun discipline, not like you need to have more discipline, right? It's not, or like I'm going to discipline you for cheating, right? That's not what they're meaning right there. They're talking about discipline is like what's your study, what's your knowledge, what's your like a lot of times in college they talk about your discipline. Your discipline is like your major. Okay, does that make sense? Good. Okay, so an area of knowledge or a field of study. Okay, make sure we get that down. Let's just skip this. We'll come back to the sentences. You can come back and do the sentences, okay? Next definition is obstacle. Okay? An obstacle to me is like something that gets in our way, right? So an object that blocks your path so that you have to go around it. Okay? An obstacle. An object that blocks your path so that you have to go around it. Okay? This week I have the state tournament, so an obstacle to the championship could be Cabiona High School, right? Okay, so that's an obstacle, something that you have to get around. Okay? Are you good to move on to participant? You good? Okay. Thumb up. A person who takes part in an activity or an event is a participant. Okay? A person who takes part in an activity or an event. That's what a participant would be. Okay, so this is page 307. I know you did these first two sentences, but go back and make sure that you have a sentence for each of them, okay? Sound good? Thumb up? Okay, awesome. I'm going to go ahead and pause this and get it uploaded.